Happy Bunny Productions. Please like and subscribe.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A is for ants, tiny but so wild. B is for bunny, soft and oh so mild. C is for cats who purr and play with glee. D is for dogs, loyal friends to you and me. Sing it loud, the ABCs of pets today. From A to Z, they'll brighten up your day. Every letter brings a critter we adore. Let's learn about them and love them even more. E is for emus, they're majestic and proud. F is for ferrets, they scurry light and loud. G is for goldfish who swim and twirl around. H is for hamsters running free on grassy ground. Oh, so many friends in this wide, wild world. Furry ones, feathery ones, tails and purrs. From four paws to wings and fins in the sea. Every pet has a spot in this melody. I is for iguanas, all scaled and strong. J is for Jack Russell, with a tail that wags so long. K is for kittens, chasing yarn until they nap. L is for lizards, sneaky with their zippy zap. Sing it loud, the ABCs of pets today. From A to Z, they'll brighten up your day. Every letter brings a critter we adore. Let's learn about them and love them even more. M is for mice, tiny adventurers at play. N is for newts, in water night and day. O is for otters, playful in the stream. P is for parrots, with colors that gleam. Q is for quail, in flocks they parade. R is for rabbits, in gardens they raid. S is for snakes, with a slither and a slide. T is for turtles, slow yet full of pride.